Hi, my name is BrunoMunger. I'm Vice President of ALTSystems. We're the reseller in Southern California, and we're the distributor in America for Colorfront Onset dailies. The first thing I want to talk about is the equipment. So this is Colorfront Onset dailies. It's used near set, onset, in facilities to process dailies for digital acquisition and film acquisitions. We're working here with our cards. We have a PC, we have a Mac, and we have a codec transfer engine and an LTO5 that we can all access within the application. The idea is that somebody goes on set, shoots some footage for a movie or episodic TV or any projects that is digitally acquired, and then you bring your footage inside of Onset dailies. Here I have my tangent element control surface, my keyboard, and this is the user interface. At the moment, I am playing a real-time Sony F65 raw material directly from the internal sand that I have here on my card. This is something that was shot in Nevada, and this is one of the first feature that has used the new Sony F65 camera. This is full 4K. We're working off the drives in 4K raw, debayered or demosaic, real time on the Colorfront Onset dailies. I'm also, you're looking at on a Dolby monitor. This is a full ACES workflow. The Academy has come up with ACES. If you can want to look here at the user interface of Onset dailies, we're playing back the source to F65 raw. We're going to ACES CDL. We have a rendering transform, an ODT, and we're going back to the result. The system has no delay when you import footage. You just literally points the application to where the footage is, and then you can start working. The idea here is you can sync sound in the application. You can do all your QC. You can also do all your grading, and also all your processing to various deliverables. So let's play a little bit of this footage to see what's happening. In this case, it's very easy for me to go and do some grading. Let's do a little bit of grading on this one. I can change the look, make it darker, make it a little wider. As you can see on the user interface, I have all the controls that I want. The idea, this is a daily system, right? So you have to go really fast and really quickly to go to all the shots that you have within the application. As I do my color grading, I can have multiple versions. I can have this version, I can work, and once the DP or director of photography comes in, I can give him multiple looks. This is my first look, second look, and let's add a new look just to give like multiple versions, maybe a little darker as you work with the system. Obviously the system is completely real-time, there's no delay, and it renders everything to 100 frames a second. So the idea is I get all my footage for the day, I do all what the processing I have to do, and then I go and decide to go to my iPad delivery, to my Avid DNX HD 444, to the web, upload to the cloud, to PIX and DAX, to do JPEG 2000 or outputs or IMF or QuickTime ProRes. All the different formats can be outputted simultaneously at 100 frames a second. We're one of the fastest systems out there when it comes to ingesting in real time and then outputting to various formats in real time. One of the other things we've introduced here at NAB2012 is the ability to write to almost line speed to LTO5. So if you have an LTFS drive connected to your system, you can process and write in real time to these LTO5. That's a very efficient workflow. As you know, when you get 8 hours of shoot a day, you have to be ready by the next morning for all the deliverables so that editors can work and start working, and then the next day of shoot comes in, and then you get the more footage and more SSD or more cartridge from the shoot. This is a multi-camera project. I can mix GoPro, I can have reds, all the red flavors plus F65, and also of course ARRI RAW in real time in the timeline. All of this simultaneously. You can adjust all the grading and have a common color space for all these files. Another product that we're introducing at the show is the little brother, the little sibling of Onset dailies. It is called Express dailies that I have. So very simplified user interface. You see all the shots here in the bottom. This is the input, the color correction that I have to make on this shot. It's very simple. Then what's my output resolution? What kind of burn-in, like time code burn-in? Here I'm going to do some key code or audio time code. Then I'm deciding where it's going, and then I hit render and I'm done. If I want to copy my color correction, it's very simple to copy. You see how it is drag and drop, very easy user interface, nothing to learn, nothing to know about, no hidden menus, very simple, very straightforward. Yeah, so one of the things we have, like when you buy Onset dailies, you get like a full HD iPad streaming dailies with free of charge. So you're on set, you want to watch, what's going on in your dailies, you can literally stream on your iPad, make decisions, see your content without having to go to DVDs or Blu-rays. I'm on set and I'm watching everything I shot today with this iPad application.